way to the east coast. Go try out the new GoPro 360. Go snorkeling and diving, fishing with the boat, and see what treasures the east coast has. Yeah. So we're driving down this gravel road, just looking out at the ocean there, down there. And we've seen a few islands that look like they would be good to have a little snorkel round and dive round and find some bait fish, maybe some power, crayfish, lacking. So we've arrived at our campsite.
Hey?
We've set out the tent.
Hello.
Vinny is just about to smash the fillets off that beautiful fish that we caught. First East Coast fish. We've got the tent set up in here. Num num. Cooking up the snapper. East Coast snapper. First one I've ever caught. For dinner.
Oh, really? That's your one there.
Don't touch the other ones.
That's the best one.
It's been a very big day.
Hello.
Lots of driving and
Lots of driving.
now we're gonna go to sleep and wake up super early and go catch some snapper
And go fishing.
and go diving and get some bait so we can catch more snapper and then find some nice people to give them to. Just having our cups of tea, watching the sun come up a bit, packing up camp, getting all ready to head out on the water. Vinny's just trying to fix the last problem that I created with my fishing boots. I was wearing them and put a lure down the bottom after we were trawling and got my feet stuck together, didn't I? I had to take my boots off to get inshore. It's a very good hook. Got islands out there, sky's coming pink, sun's coming up. It's all looking pretty pristine to go diving and get some bait to catch snapper. Yeehaw! Day 2 on the east coast. We're about to launch off this beautiful little bay. Head out and see what treasures the ocean has for us. So we're right next to this here, and it's 129 feet. 128 feet, right there. weta crawling on him. You flicked it, and it's up in there. You're gonna find it and put it on a hook and catch a moocher with it.
Well, I can't find him again. This is very disturbing.
He's a ninja. We have found the weta.
He was on my leg. We'll see if we can catch a fish with him, eh?
Moocher.
What's your bottom hook?
Here he is.
Oh, yeah. Just a little ticker.
Yeehaw.
Oh, I'll bite straight away.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'm on.
Yeah.
Straight away.
Right away. Ah, hi.
Oh, yeah, it's a snapper.
Oh, it is. He's pooing everywhere. Oh no.
Just a little fella.
We'll just let you go, buddy. I'm gonna kiss him. Kiss him and tell him to go tell his granddad. Hi. Go tell your granddad that if he eats our bait, he gets kisses. No, squidge.
Fuck. And it's small.
Just scoping out a place to do some diving. Vinny reckons even if we just get crabs, that would do. Oh. Dive in there.
Oh, this is our white spot, man.
Glorious.
Just up and down.
So, Vinny's decided he's going to dive here in these rocks. Anchor it up. He's going to head down and best case scenario come back up with a crayfish. So Vinny's diving just in there, over there. And I am just casting this jig and trying to catch a kahawai or kingfisher or something. He's out and he's safe. What'd you see?
Heaps of fish. No snapper. No crayfish. No crabs. Still power.
You didn't grab it?
Too small.
Yeah.
Couldn't see many.
Beautiful bag load of kinna for burley. You're gonna go approach those fishermen over there and ask them if they'll swap us some burley for some bait. Barter, you see? Urban foraging. Trawling for kahawai. Gonna go around close to this island because we believe there's good hope for them around here. Been trawling for about 40 minutes came into this cove here, and then he hooked up a kahawai, and he got off just before we got him on the boat. And now he's gone in for another dive to here to hopefully find some bait, because I've only got that canna now. I'm going to keep trawling for a kahawai while Vinny tries to find us some power and mussels.
No kahawai?
Nah, I haven't stopped casting. It's coming up to 11 o'clock. And he's just breaking up a whole bunch of canna under the boat. And then we're going to try and catch some fish here. He's going to burley up. The water's so clear. That he's found. I can't stay standing up. Then he has found this beautiful waterfall for us to freshen up from our fishing trip in. I've been dreaming of this. You're my hero. What's going on over here?
Venison casserole, camp oven style. Like the time we went white baiting.
Yummy. Big back steaks in there.
There's a big back steak there, look.
So I've made it to our next campground. We've just spent the last few hours chilling out in the tent. Motorboat, and now we're going to go and check out a spot to possibly surfcast tonight with the kahawai that we caught today and try and catch a moocher that way. There's a little cave over there. Crabs. Crabs in the hole. Ocean crossing. I'm standing in the cave that we were pointing at before. looking at this sensational view. And that one too. It's our surfcasting spot for tonight's sunset with our kahawai that we caught today. Had a few snags and no fish yet, but we're still trying. Had to climb over there before to unsnag the lure from the end of it because I was just too powerful and didn't realise how far I was going to be cast. Look at this one. And he just caught a snapper and then he dropped it straight back in the water, and it's the only fish that we've caught tonight. He caught it from Bart. I stand by that. Okay. It's time to pack it up. 2 baby snapper. No kahawai left. Now look at this. Not be weeded in here. Oh, look at this. Venison backsteak casserole in the camp oven and cooking for like 6 hours. No, no. We're just heading out to launch the boat and use the last of the kahawai bait and the burley that we got yesterday and try and catch some fish. And this will probably be our last fishing trip at this particular place. It is a gorgeous morning, but the wind is supposed to get up around lunchtime.
think that is the thing now.
Woohoo! Is that camera on? Yes? Yeah.
Look at the lips on it.
I wonder if it's good bait. What is that? Stay the camera. Put him on the straight line.
Oh,
Cast
look
him
at his
out.
eyes.
Put him on the straight line.
No,
Cast him out.
nothing's going to eat this, look at it.
Ouch! Bye, buddy. 3 little stab wounds like Orion's belt.
Fuck! A shark just hit my fucking... I just was winding up the fish, and this big shark's just taken. I can see the shark. Fuck, I was just winding up. Did you see me winding that fish up? And then this fucking shark just came and hit it. And then he just let the fish go. Look, there's the shark swimming away. Over there, he's coming after this fish. Film it. He's coming after my snapper again. Look.
It's a great white.
No, they ain't. Oh, fucking could be. Get him down. Fuck, it could be a great white. It's pretty decent, eh? Here he comes. He's going to come back. The fish is down there. I was just winding it up, and then all of a sudden, boom! It just took on heaps of weight, and I looked, and there was that big shark. That could have been a great white, eh?
Yeah, I thought it was.
Here he comes, here he comes. He's down below. Fuck, he's big. We'll come and check this fish out again.
Oh. No, Vinny. Fuck, I don't like this. It was a great white. I saw its belly.
Pretty big. It's pretty tanky, eh?
Why is it eating that bird over there?
That thing grabbed it, man.
Well then why isn't it split?
I know, it's got no marks at all on the thing. Right there, buddy. There you go. You provided us with some pretty good entertainment, mate.
Oh my goodness, I'm shaking so bad. Where is he? I've got him on camera. We can look at it and see.
Righto, bro. I'm going to send you back, but I got a message for that punk ass red voodoo fish, man. You tell him I'm coming for him.
We're pretty sure we just saw a great white shark try and steal Bunny's fish. And this is just around the corner from the cove he was snorkeling in yesterday. And snorkeling there as well. Big barrel body. come back in for our fishing trip on day 3. We're gonna cook some lunch, cook some venison sausages for lunch, and pack up the tent. This is our view this morning. We woke up in our tent. And up there's where we surfcasted last night. We're going back to the swimming hole that we went to yesterday to have another nature bath. Oh, that hurt my brain. Oh, fresh and clean. Not fishy. No.
No, there's nothing fishy here.
Nothing fishy here, no.
No.
Thank you, beautiful nature bath. Goodbye, beautiful East Coast Bay. Moving to our new house tonight.
Good morning. We're going to go push out over this bar. Back on the west coast now.
Day 4. No. Oh no, spit it. Straight. Oh yeah, come on.
Yeehaw!
Woo! Come on down.
There's a massive swarm of them following you.
I'm on.
Wow, there was a big swarm of kahawai coming at your lure then.
If I cast it back out straight away, I'll catch another one.
Yeah, I can see them. They're just over there flipping. Hey!
Yeah. Do you want the gas?
Look at that. Perfect eating fish.
Yeah!
We'll keep them, eh? Get it. Staying down.
It's so fighty. Must be small. It is.
Oh, it's reasonable.
Yeah, it's
It's not huge. It's like those other two that we got. Don't have to wind them up very far. I've noticed.
no. Double hook up.
Coromandel size.
Yeah. And tap, tap, tap on this fresh kahawai bait.
The kahawai. Sick. That's a kahawai.
Yay! We need more bait. Thank you, buddy. You cannibal. Whoa, he's fat too.
I've struck him and got him in his wing, but he's a little gnarly shark. black tips on them?
Yeah.
It's an oceanic black tip. Look at his mouth. He's ready to bite.
Oh, oh, he's angry. He's hungry. Go down and eat some fish, buddy. Don't be biting baits. Reckless.
Yeah, you can catch fish, man.
It's reckless of you. And greedy. Look at his eye.
Open up, bro.
Just let him go, baby.
Yeah, have it thumb on. He's kept it.
Look at that for a bait board.
That snapper bin.
Look at that for a snapper pin. Yeehaw! Still getting bites.
We couldn't have kept these snapper bin. Oh no, we could have given them away, eh? I've got the fish. No, I had the fish. Look, my rod. That sucks. These pen rods are shit.
We've got carway for smoking and for bait, and snapper for eating. And now we're gonna get ready to go home. It's 10 to 2 and we've made it home. Right back where we started.
Was there no beer left in there?
10 snapper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carway and 1 trevally.